everyone! Today we are going to do an experiment. These are the materials. The first one is pepper. The second one is plate. And the third one is a glass of water. And the last one is dishwashing liquid. Now let's proceed to the experiment. First is to dip our finger in the water. Nothing happened, right? Now let's try to dip our finger first in the dishwashing liquid, then into the water. Wow! Now, what's the science behind all of these? The reason why pepper floats on water is because it is hydrophobic, meaning it is not water-loving. When we dipped our finger with soap in the water, the surface tension lowered. The water tried to stick together and move away from the soap while carrying the pepper with them.